This may not be an Excel sheet, but the math is the same. Every home has a CFO. One who runs the entire finances of the house without a finance degree. The only difference? Her work is never called finance. But the same skill can work in the investment market too.
Let's try this SIP and let's invest in this stock.
This Women's Day, it's time to invest in yourself. When you already manage the numbers at home, that's where your investing journey begins. Register today for a free trading and investing session at your nearest trade school.